Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are seeing this PS4 error code NP460426, it usually means there is a problem connecting to PlayStation network services. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to basically fix your connection. For that, go to the settings of your PS4. In the settings, look for the option of network. Inside network, simply click on the option of test the internet connection. If the test fails and if it shows weak connection, you can set up your network again. Now you need to choose the Wi-Fi or LAN. Then simply go to custom setup. Now inside custom setup, you need to look for the option of automatic settings. This is going to refresh your connection and it also clears the network errors. Now, in order to improve your network stability, you can also set up the internet connection as custom. For that, you need to reach to the DNS settings. In the DNS settings, you need to change your primary and the secondary settings. So the primary setting is 8.8.8.8 and the secondary setting is 8.8.4.4. So after doing this, you just have to basically click on the option of save and then simply reconnect. So this particular step is going to help your PS4 communicate better with PlayStation servers. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the error is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.